This strawberry cake looking from does look great from the outside, but how does it look from the inside? Let's find out then. So this is a BM10. Now I'm going to open this up and show you all how does it look from the inside. But before opening this up, let me switch it up first. Oh, it does not switch off like this. Well, let's not worry. Let's just remove the battery from back side. It does open up. The back cover removes easily. The battery. It has two Phillips head screws. I'm going to remove them now. I've already removed the SIM and SD card from it, and now I'm going to open this up. Okay then, let's see what's inside this. It's very hard to get my pry tool inside this. Yeah, maybe we just need this little pressure. Then yeah, there you go. This is how the inside looks. See, these are the buttons, this metal kind of a thing. And yeah, so let's see from that side, from the other side. This is how the other side looks. This has a speaker which is soldered directly into it. These are, I think, the antenna of it. The screen is also soldered in it. These are two micro SIM slot and one SD card slot. This is the SD card slot, and all of them are soldered into it. I know what is this, maybe the processor or something like that. It has a micro USB charging slot. Okay then, let me close this up and see if it works. Oh yeah. Before switching it on, let me show you. This is the keypad. Everything is attached. All the keys are attached to this rubber kind of thing. This rubber plastic kind of thing. This is how the outside thing looks like, the outside case. Now let me close this up. Okay, so I'm going to connect the battery and see if it switches on or not. This is my first try switching it on. There you go. Now let me close the screws up. Now let's close up the cover. Perfect. There you go. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and give a like. And yeah, if you want to send me something, you can send it at the address given below.